Oi oi, watch it blokes and blokettes. This is what you've all been waiting for. In this video I introduce you to the new girl, Fedosuia. Come and have a look. Not just yet. Just roll the intro and I'll see you in a few seconds. Watcher, blokes and blokettes, you're through to Oi Works. I'm the Baldy Brit Bloke and this is my YouTube channel. Oi oi! Oi oi! Please subscribe, please like, please comment, please share. Oi oi! Hello again. Right, let's pick this up when she arrived on the back of a truck to my house. Enjoy! Oh, and watch till the end. There's a couple of little updates on her as well, which you'll enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, may I present to you Fedosuia. A true blue blood. She's royalty, a piece of automotive excellence. Engineered and built in Germany, and worthy of the name of a Russian princess. Welcome to the Oi Works stable. Fedosuia, the Ford Focus RS. I've always wanted one of these, ever since they first came out. How does 350 brake horsepower straight out the candy wrapper sound to you guys? Boom boom. And this little princess comes with a few other little treats hidden underneath her skirt, so rudely exposed by her front teeth being knocked out in the accident. Oi oi, that's a bit naughty. What have we got here then? A few mount-tune bits and one or two other goodies. This is going to be a corker. So I'm just going to give her a quick wash. I don't want to move her because it's a pain in the neck trying to push her back by myself. I'm going to get Fedosuia up on her axle stands or jacks, and then I've got to disappear because I've got to go and see a man about a dog. But I wanted to get you in on the action, so I'll shut up. Let's do it. Pop you down and show you what I can see. So there's a bit of coolant dripping out here, which is hardly surprising. I have to see if there's a hole in the radiator or if it's a pipe that's been popped. There's a lot of dirt, mud on that arm there and under here, and there's some grass up here. Some grass, mud and stuff here. There is no scratches under here, which is good. There's mud here, but it doesn't look like it's impact. It looks like this has taken the main impact. There's mud here. There's even mud up here on the horn. But possibly this has taken the most of the impact. It certainly seems more bent this side. If you're looking across it there, and it's squeezed into the intercooler pipe. But I can't see where that coolant is coming from yet. All will be revealed in the next few hours as I start tearing it apart. So I'm just going to get some catalyst, whatever it's called, and stick it on that so that it soaks it up. Sweet. Exciting stuff, eh? Exciting stuff. I'll just show you quickly what I'm doing. I'm undoing the bolts on the brackets to secure the bumper to the wing. These here, same both sides, and then there's this little panel fastener or plastic fastener. Yeah, it's coming on good. To steal a phrase from Jeremy Clarkson, where's the hammer? Here's the front lower radiator and air conditioning condenser support. It is badly bent. It doesn't show up properly on camera. It looks like this has been punctured in more than one place. There was some liquid that had dripped out, but I couldn't see if it was any colour. So I'm going to take this off, and then behind that is the radiator and the brackets that hold the radiator to this front plastic shroud piece are snapped. So I'm going to have to get a new radiator as well. The fans behind, the fan unit behind, from what I can see, looks like it might have escaped. But I'll have to wait and see and till I've pulled it all to pieces. So that's the next project for this afternoon. The other thing I've noticed, I couldn't understand where this had come from. It looked to me like the wheel had hit, and now I can tell that the end of this steering rack, this rod here, is bent. So it would have allowed the wheel to travel back further, and it also would have meant that the strut, the front strut, moved, which explains why there's some scrubbage up the back there, because there should be clearance here, but it's actually scrubbed on the inside of the wing, the inner wing. Yeah, I love this bit, figuring out what's damaged, what needs to be replaced. This looks like it's going to be the first vehicle that I've had to do some mechanical repairs on. The other ones had escaped it, but that piece will have to be changed, and the radiator will have to be changed. Sorry, the air conditioning unit for sure, and likely the radiator as well. Well, I know the radiator because the brackets are busted. So, I'm going to shut up, put you up on something that so you can watch and get this cracked out. I'm excited. Well, I hope we got that on camera, because that came apart quite quickly. Just to show you what's going on here. Thankfully, this intercooler pipe has acted as a shock absorber against here. Yeah, it's worked out quite well. This pipe here, the air conditioning pipe, is bent, which is not a problem. That will just be a replacement part, and it's quite badly smashed the oil filter. And I'm hoping it's not damaged anything inside. We'll have to find that out in a bit. So I've just got to take this other pipe off, release these connectors, and the front radiator and air conditioning condenser should all come out then, and the fan assembly behind, so I can have a proper look at it. Yeah, progress is good. Progress is good. And I think, as I've already mentioned, this looks like we've got away without touching this at all, which is excellent. Just got to try and get this out, because this is really stuck in there. There we go. Good girl. Smashed. But that's okay. The fan will all have to be replaced as well. Both of these shrouds are smashed. And the other thing that I'm seeing is that boost pipe's got quite a nasty gouge in it. It's the intercooler pipe actually, sorry. And this one here as well. So they will have to be replaced. I don't know what that is. There's a little SIM card tucked in there. Get in there, people, get in there, which is awesome. I'm such a numpty. I realised as I was editing this, they hadn't shown you the inside. Much like the Fiesta, Fiona, but just a few more bells and whistles. Little boost gauge there and one or two other bits and pieces. And the famous Recaro seats again. This time with the RS emblem in the back of them. They are beautiful. She is absolutely gorgeous. Backbench, regular backbench. And the other thing I noticed, I hadn't shown you the damage, the rest of the damage. So she's been hit here. This is going to have to be replaced. I'm going to try and push this out with a ball or hammer it out, but I don't think I'll be able to save it. This little glass quarter light is gone. New headlight needed. And in this side, I've already shown you this bit here, but she's lost her, I don't know what they call that over here, a rocker cover moulding. To me that's a side skirt, but she's been hit here quite hard, and what's happened is it's made the door pinch. So that opens and closes. I'm not too sure if I'm going to have to get a new sill piece or a whole new quarter panel for here, and if I do end up getting a quarter panel, it may be that there's some way of cutting it here so that we don't have to replace all of this. It would be a pain in the arse to take out that quarter light and the light, and there's the fuel filler cap in there as well. So if we do need to do this, then it can be cut here. I don't think I'm going to be doing any of the work myself. Oh, one more thing. This wheel is bent out like this. So underneath here, one of the pieces of metal is bent. I can see it, and I'm fairly sure it's just the soft piece of metal, maybe a tie bar of some sort that's bent. Nothing too major. Yeah, love her. I mean love. So that, blokes and blokettes, is it for this video. Oh no, hang on. So the update is, I've been in contact with the bloke that owned Fedosuia before she came here, and he updated me on a couple of things. It sounds like the ECU was stolen off her after the insurance had been appraised for insurance for being totaled, and also the badges were stolen after that. So sometime between when she was appraised and when she was shipped to the auction house, she had those pieces taken off her, because when he left the vehicle at the body shop for it to be appraised for insurance write-off, those parts were on there. Now he does have one or two other bits that we're talking about, and I hope to be able to secure those. It seems like a really nice guy. Maybe I'll even get the chance to meet him someday. And maybe I'll even get the chance to drive her again. I've started getting in one or two bits and pieces. Replacement radiator's on its way. I've got a replacement air conditioning condenser and cooler. This is the piece that's proving a little bit of a nightmare to get at the moment. And I am in contact with a bloke that has a RS bumper out of Detroit, so I'm hoping to secure that. I've got a replacement rear light for this quarter here, and I think that's it at the moment. So I'll shut up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you enjoy the content, please make sure to tap the like button. Drop a comment as well, I love hearing from you guys. I'll shut up, and until the next time, Toodle-pip.